AI is the next revolution in software, and we expect all software to transition to AI native, AI enabled, or AI infused in some way over the coming months. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. AI complements the growth of SaaS sector in India and is indeed poised for significant growth. The sector has witnessed substantial expansion. More recent estimates suggest a target of $50 billion by 2030. According to a recent report, the Indian startup ecosystem is poised to attract $1 billion in new venture funding in 2024, representing a 25% increase compared to the previous year. The report highlights that a significant portion of this investment will be channeled towards AI focused companies, underscoring the growing importance of artificial intelligence in the startup landscape. A survey findings indicate that approximately 60% of startups that were previously operating as pure SaaS software as a service companies are now transitioning into AI enabled SaaS providers. This revolution reflects the broader industry trend where AI is becoming integral to software offerings. India has a unique position with its large base of AI developers and global leadership in business and professional services. With this, there are transformative impact of AI, stating 2024 is the year of artificial intelligence goes mainstream, marking a pivotal shift from emerging technology to a cornerstone of business and industrial operations. This shift towards AI underscores its growing role as a key driver of innovation and growth, positioning it as an essential component of India's burgeoning tech ecosystem. Secondly, wealth tech software and industrial tech software have emerged as prominent areas, driven by factors such as increasing equity participation and initiatives like Make in India, which promotes sustainable industrial operations. Another sector that has garnered considerable attention is cybersecurity. Reflecting the growing importance of digital security is the business world. The strong focus on cybersecurity is further evidenced by the projected growth of the cyber insurance sector, which is expected to expand by 50% year on year over the next 5 years, potentially reaching $800 million by 2030. Let's look into today's headlines. Gigabyte releases Aorus OLED displays in India with a focus on gaming. Gigabyte has declared that their QD OLED monitors would go on sale in India. The Aorus FO32U2P and Aorus FO27Q3, the new versions, are intended for gaming and enjoyment. The tactical resolution switch feature, which enables quick switching to a 24-inch size with 1080p resolution, and the night vision feature, which highlights dark regions on the screen without overexposing it, are two of the key features. GoPro to lay off 15% of its employees. According to reports, GoPro has declared layoffs and plans to take cost-cutting measures by reducing its personnel by 15%. One way to interpret the GoPro layoffs is as a cost-cutting reorganization strategy. This decision, which is reportedly the second round of layoffs in 2024, might have a major effect on a large number of its employees. Gmail's Polish feature may transform rough notes into a complete document. Google is rolling out a Polish draft function for Android, iOS, and the web in an update to help me write in Gmail. Users can already formalize, elaborate, or condense what they have written by using the Refine My Draft feature of Help Me Write. Additionally, Polish is now available to effortlessly refine emails. Once you have typed some text, select Polish by tapping the pencil with the glitter icon in the toolbar. This is accessible on mobile and the web. India is projected to require 12.5 lakh AI skilled professionals by 2027. India wants to lead the world in artificial intelligence, and by 2027, the country's talent demand is expected to have increased from 6 to 6.5 lakh to over 12.5 lakh. According to a report released by Deloitte India in partnership with NASSCOM, the country's AI market is predicted to develop at a rate of 25 to 35% between 2022 and 2027. This could indicate a need for upskilling current workers and a gap in the talent pool between supply and demand. TRAI releases directives to prevent the abuse of messaging services. In order to prevent fraudulent practices and prevent consumers from being duped, the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI, has issued directives. For improved monitoring and control, TRAI has ordered access service providers to move telemarketing calls beginning with the 140 series to an online DLT platform by September 30, 2024 at the latest. Effective from 1st September 2024, TRAI said that all access service providers will be prohibited from transmitting messages containing URLs, APKs, OTT links, or callback numbers which are not whitelisted by the senders. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.